Hey everyone, welcome to Home with Kelly P. So in today's video is something a little different. I've been noticing some trends on TikTok and Instagram, and there's one in particular I wanted to give a try. So I thought, why not bring you guys along with me in case you have seen it and we're curious about it. So this trend is called laundry stripping. So what I saw a friend do this on her Instagram story, and I thought it was kind of cool. So I thought I would give it a try. So basically what laundry stripping is you take whatever, your towels, your sheets, your jeans, whatever's part of laundry that you want to, you throw it in a tub full of like hot water, and you add in borax detergent, some Arm & Hammer baking soda cleaning product, and a scoopful of Tide powder. And you let all your items soak in the tub for about 4 to 6 hours. And it's supposed to bring out all the extra dirt in the materials, bring out all the toxins, and just really get them really, really clean. And I was a little skeptical about this until I saw my friend's Instagram account, and she kept showing the progress as the items soaked. So I thought I would give it a try myself, and I'm going to try it on my sheets from my bed. So if you've ever heard of this, let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious. I'd never heard of this laundry stripping. So it's like a little experiment, so it's kind of cool. But if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kelly. Thank you for stopping by. Please take a look around my channel, and if you like what you see, subscribe and join my growing little YouTube family here. I love all my supporters. I love getting to know everybody, so I would really appreciate if you would subscribe. And if you like this type of video, give it a thumbs up. It would really help my channel out. So now I'm going to start by putting my bathtub full of hot water, adding in the materials, and let's get to stripping this laundry. It's going to be very interesting to see. So you will need 1 scoop of powdered Tide, a 1/4 cup of borax, and a 1/4 cup of the Arm & Hammer baking soda, the washing soda, not the baking soda. Now fill a tub with hot water, and don't mind Gussie here. He absolutely goes bonkers when I turn on a shower or a bathtub.
Watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Drive a faster car.
Okay, this is incredible. I mean, the sheets haven't even been in here more than 15 minutes, and look at the water already. It's kind of gross to think about, but I'm anxious to see what the end result is going to be. So I will check in every hour or every couple of hours, because they say to leave it 4 to 6 hours. So I will check in again with you in a couple of hours. But this is pretty gross.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks.
So here's what the water looks like. It's hard to see. Let's see if I can. It's hard to see, but that's what the water looks like after the sheets have been soaking for 6 hours. So as I mentioned, that's the cover for my bed. I'm just going to leave it there because it's really heavy. And I'll take my sheets now down to the washing machine, and it says to run them through a rinse and then through a complete wash cycle with no detergent. So that's what I'm going to go do now. I never thought I would see that. That's disgusting. Like, what is it? Why does this work? Like, what is this? Why is everything so dirty when I wash them all the time? I don't get it. But let's go give them a rinse. Okay, this is after I have let the water drain. This is full disclosure, guys. This is pretty darn gross. So after I drained the water, this is what was left in. Okay, it's going to be hard to tell because the lighting in here is really, really bad. But I see a huge difference in this cover. It looks like it's brand new, and it smells absolutely amazing, and it even feels different. It doesn't have all that laundry soap feel that sometimes you get after you've washed your sheets, but it looks amazing. It looks brand new, and I know the lighting in here is really, really bad. I wish I could show you because we have shadows right above, but trying to get a good look, but I can see it. It just looks totally brand new. It looks like a new cover. I am absolutely shocked and amazed at this. So I'm going to put these sheets on and show you those. Okay, so the sheets are on. They look amazing as well. And I know you're not going to be able to tell very well in the video, but I see a huge difference. They feel better. They smell amazing, but they feel different than when I just do them in the laundry. It's very hard to describe, but like they just look and feel. They feel so soft. And there's no fabric softener in them at all. Yeah, they look brand new too. It's amazing. I'm going to be doing this again. So tomorrow I'll probably do my duvet cover. Definitely going to try to do those tomorrow because this worked so well. Anyways, yeah, so that's how these turned out. I can't wait to snuggle up in them tonight. That was eye-opening. I can't believe how dirty the water got. I mean, I wash my sheets every weekend. It's amazing. I actually have another load of laundry soaking now. I'm trying it again on something else. But I could see myself doing this once a quarter. It's very time consuming, so I'm not sure I would do it that often, but why not do it when the seasons change? You know, when you're doing your spring cleaning, why not throw all your towels in, all your sheets in, and spring clean those and get them all fresh for the season, you know? In the fall, do it again, maybe with your winter clothes that have been, you know, put away or whatever. But I could see myself doing it, you know, at least twice a year, maybe each season. That would be kind of fun and interesting. Now, after putting the sheets on my bed, I mean, I noticed a huge difference right away when they came out of the dryer in the feel of them. They felt different. They didn't feel, even though they've been soaking for like 6 hours in laundry soap, they certainly didn't feel like they had detergent on them. But I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed bringing it to you. And if there's a TikTok or Instagram trend that you would like me to try, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, let's give these a try. There's tons more out there, but I'm game if you are. So let me know if you see something that you think you'd like me to try or that I should try. That would be a lot of fun. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and until I see you in my next one, I hope you have a great week. Bye.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try